multiplication theorem on probability and or cases. Now, important question. A and B appeared for an interview for two posts. Probability for A's rejection is 2 by 5 and that of B's rejection is 4 by 7. Find the probability that only one of them is selected. Okay. So, now let E be the event that A is selected and F be the event that B is selected. Now, given probability for the rejection of A, that is E naught, is 2 by 5 and probability for the rejection of B, that is F naught, it is 4 by 7. Now, P E naught, to this what we can write it? 1 minus probability for E is equal to 2 by 5 and 1 minus probability for F is equal to 4 by 7. Now, probability for E 1 minus 2 by 5, this is equal to 3 by 5 and probability for F is equal to 1 minus 4 by 7, this is 3 by 7. Now, required probability P, only one of them is selected. Only one of them is selected. Now, this can be mentioned as probability for E F naught or E naught and F. Now, to this what we can write it? Probability for E F naught plus probability for E naught F. Addition theorem. Now, further to this we can write it probability for E times probability for F naught plus probability for E naught with probability for F. Multiplication theorem. Now, let us put the values here now. Probability for E, now we have got it 3 by 5. 3 by 5 times F naught 4 by 7. Okay. 3 by 5 times 4 by 7, F naught is given 4 by 7. Okay. Plus E naught 2 by 5 times probability for F, that is 3 by 7. Now, this is equal to 12 by 35 plus 6 by 35 is equal to 18 by 35. Hence, required probability is 18 by 35.